Hey, Brody.
What?
Did you use my makeup?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Look at me. Can you look at me, please? Did you use my makeup?
No.
What's all over your shirt? Nothing?
No.
Look at me. What's that all over your shirt? Is that my makeup?
No.
No, what is it?
It's just my food
Oh, it's your food?
from my shirt.
Oh, let me see. Can I see it? Oh, that's your food?
Yeah.
Let me see your face. Oh, that's not makeup all in your mouth?
No, it's just the new makeup. Not me.
What is it?
If you do this,
Oh, so you did put my makeup on.
like this.
Yeah, I know how to do it. Don't do it. Do not open that.
Why?
Brody, look at me.
What?
Boys don't wear makeup.
But I got it on my mouth.
Yeah, boys don't wear makeup. Okay?
Why?
Because it's only for girls. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Is that the deal?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, look at me.
What?
Say, I won't wear your makeup anymore. Look at me.
I won't.
Fingers out of your mouth. Fingers out of your mouth.
Why?
Look at me and say, I will not wear your makeup anymore, Mom.
I won't wear your makeup, Mom.
Okay. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Say blackmail.
That ear.
Good enough.